This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the rear wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel bolts and remove the wheel. Position a jack under the outer end of the lower control arm. Then raise the jack sufficiently to take the load off the shock absorber. Slacken and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Undo the upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the new shock absorber into position. Then refit the upper mounting bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Insert the lower mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Don't forget the washer. Lower the control arm and remove the jack. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.